Hello everybody. Let us plan for Yoga Day. Today I am going to talk about one of the foundation, the old foundation, more than 50 years old foundation of yoga, which is Bihar School of Yoga. It is established in 1963 at Munger, which is in state of Bihar, by Paramahansa Sri Swami Satyananda Saraswati ji. They teach the techniques of yoga, which is a compilation of Vedantic, Tantric, as well as the yogic teaching in conjunction with the physical and mental health science. In 1993, Paramahansa Sri Swami Niranjanananda Saraswati became spiritual successor of Sri Swamiji. In 1994, he founded First University of Yoga, Bihar Yoga Bharati. They continued their teaching in yoga, taking yoga from door to door and shore to shore, and it became globally renowned institute. In 2017, Paramahansa Sri Swami Niranjanananda Saraswati ji received third highest civilian award of India, that is Padma Bhushan. In 2019, BSY, that is Bihar School of Yoga, received Prime Minister's National Yoga Award for outstanding contribution to the promotion and development of yoga. Today, we are going to learn something, the apps developed by Bihar School of Yoga. There are two different types of apps. The first app, for which to install the app, I have given some links over here. That is for Android users as well as Apple users. This is specially devised apps which are to be saved in your mobiles. The first app, that is app which is available on both Android as well as Apple. It is nothing but it's a compilation of guided practices which has got schematic diagrams of asanas and pranayams. It also has got written instructions along with it about the techniques, how to do breathing during the practice, and what should be the level of awareness during the practice. This is specially designed app which also takes or gives something special which is called as yoga capsule, which is specially designed for mental and physical health of people depending on sometimes the disease, disorder, as well as for the total well-being. There is another app which is specially designed by Sri Swamiji for the lockdown period, and this is for frontline heroes, and it's very interesting app. This is the link for it, and it is released recently. It is specially designed for the people who are under stress, who are helping others, they are frontline heroes, and to make the situation more calm, positive, and very clear. It is something a videographic or video compilation of graphics, and it has got instructions which are audio instructions which are recorded in Sri Swamiji's voice. It is specially designed for this period. So what we are going to do? We are going to first download the app which is given by Bihar School of Yoga. It's a combination of asana, pranayam, and meditation, which is very, very important and essential part of yoga. So yoga is not a religion. Yoga is a lifestyle. So let us encompass it and remain healthy and happy forever. Thank you.
Hello everybody. So let us understand how to use this app on the mobile. We have already learned how to download this app, and now it is already installed on my mobile. It's an Android. So first we will see the usual normal app that is Bihar School of Yoga, which has got, I'll just go back, just see the symbol which is there, and this is, just click on that. You will see there are certain practices, certain events, some part of library, some part of inspirational talk about the Swamijis which are from the Bihar School of Yoga. So today we are going to learn only about guided practices. It has got two sectors. One is yoga practice. Just click on that. You will see there are a lot of things, information about asana, pranayam. There is Satyananda Swamiji's Yoga Nidra, which is nothing but hypnagogic sleep, which is having a wonderful calming effect, and then several meditation techniques. If you will click on asanas, you will see there are a lot of asanas in this series, and just to understand one of this, I'll just click on, say, Tadasana series. What you will see in this case, it is given pictorially, how schematically it is mentioned. Tadasana is, what is this entire Tadasana, how we are supposed to do, what is the position of leg, feet, and all the stretches during this entire demo. And next thing is the breathing awareness, breathing as well as the total awareness of the body. The sequence is given, what are the benefits of this asana is given, and if you want to do any variations, how you can do the variation. So this is first type of Tadasana. Then there is Tiryak Tadasana. Same way the information is mentioned over here, and Kati Chakrasana. So this is generally called as TTK in case of Bihar School of Yoga. So this way you can get lot of information about various types of asanas, pranayams. Here you can see the typical Brahmari, Nadi Shodhan pranayam, all those different types of breathing. You can get direct instructions. If you will just play the instructions, say Swami Satyananda Saraswati's instructions or Swami Niranjan Swamiji's instructions on Yoga Nidra. So if you will go here, it will actually start the audio recorded Yoga Nidra, that is for 30 minutes. So you have to just sleep in Shavasana, and you have to just listen all the instructions which are given in this Yoga Nidra compilation. Similarly, there are a lot of meditation techniques are there, wonderful meditation techniques. These are again the audio techniques, audio which are related to certain types of breathing techniques are there, certain types of antarmona, that is the internal visualization are there. So these are typical meditation techniques are there, extremely useful to calm your mind. So these are some techniques which are given under yoga practice, while in case of yoga capsule, it's a small compilation. It is something which is made like a capsule. It's for a person who is just want a total well-being. Then what he should do? Early morning, there are certain specific chantings are there. Now again, as I have said, yoga is a lifestyle, it is not religion. So although these are specific type of chants, this is very specifically related to its resonance, the vibrational energy which is created by the sound of this chanting. It is nothing to do with the religious matter. So anybody of any religion can do this chanting, and that is actually having the healing power due to the resonance created by the sound waves during the chanting. Then there are certain specific number of asana combined with small number of pranayam. This is what you can call it as a small 15 minutes capsule which is given, embedded capsule which is for yogic healing. And then in the afternoon, do Yoga Nidra, the Prarambhik or the first level Yoga Nidra, which is only for 30 minutes. So have a nice nap with Yoga Nidra. And then at night, what you are supposed to do the meditation, so that whatever stress throughout the day you have loaded in your mind, just remove that and sleep with calm, with peace. So this is just a simple for total well-being. Based on the other elements, other type of various types of what you can say, the disorders, he has made, the BSY has made some different kits, we can call it as. So you can just go through anything, like for example for high blood pressure you may have a different type of combinations, it might have different type of pranayams. So each and every type of person or type of ailment, or just for total well-being, they have described this yoga capsule. So either you just go through each and every type of yogic asana, meditation, or just do this is compiled version which is specifically made for the people who want to do only for specific reason. Next thing is the FFH. This is something which is specially prepared by Swamiji, and this is for specific purpose it is made during this lockdown period. So this is nothing but it's a video compilation, and again it has got various types of asanas, combination of asanas, pranayam, relaxation, and if you will click any of this, you will see, for example, if you want to listen to this, you just go to that type of video and then click it. So what you will observe in this case, so this type of audio instructions by Sri Swamiji is given in this entire compilation, and you can see that it is not only in English, it is also in Hindi. So everybody can use, any common people can use this, and each and every practice is not more than 10 minutes. So you can just sit in the, for example, for such type of meditation while traveling, you can just sit. If you are getting a seat, you just sit and just listen to these instructions and just have a nice meditative relaxed condition, so that by the time you will reach to your workplace, you will be much more calm, much more positive. So this is something which is the latest videos which are released by Bihar School of Yoga, and it is with in instructions along with Swamiji's voice over in this case. So this is about Bihar School of Yoga's apps, and I think we should now start using all these apps as early as possible, so that we can do it as much as possible for our own well-being. So thank you very much.